More Barreto 20 RTK workup. Today I'm going to do some diagnostics. I'm still going to see if I can get the answer to why this is so mushy and why it sounds so crunchy. It sounds really crunchy in there. I think it's the motor, but there's the crunchiness in there makes me think that it's the bearing. This could be a motor and a bearing issue. So I'm going to take these plugs. I'm going to plug it. This is the only thing on the hydraulic system I have disconnected. So I'm going to plug those up. I'm going to get the battery put back in. I'm going to get the control module mounted back up where it's supposed to be. Double check all the wiring and start it up on the bench, or start it up on the stand. And then I'm going to observe the symptoms, you know, forward and back on the right, forward and back on the left, and just see what happens. You know, maybe if I charge the system again, it will correct itself, because I did this thing with the bypass valves. This one was fine. I got good resistance on the left-hand drive motor, and then when I close the bypass to disable it, I can still move it. So it's almost like the bypass created a problem, and there's maybe a bad seal in there. And this one, when I opened the bypass, it did not change my symptom at all. So that's pretty scary. So we'll see. I think it's the motor. That's going to be that's $1,600 from Barreto directly, and then I think the pump. The pump is $1,600, and I think these motors are $400 a piece, $400 or $500 a piece. So I mean, to spend another $2,000 on this project is going to just kill me. So I'm going to reach out. Also, I got a lead on a local shop that may either be able to rebuild it or have rebuilt units for sale, or have a core, you know, whatever, something like that. So anyway, I'm going to get this reassembled a little bit so I can start up the engine on the stand and do some more hydraulic diagnostics before I start taking more shit apart. That's it. David with Wired Equipment, keeping going on this darn project. It's killing me.